I'm about to install something on my 2021 Road Glide Limited that I'm not even sure I want or need.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.
Man, that sun is bright. It is a beautiful New Year's Day here in Central Texas. So happy New Year to all of you. I hope you had a safe and fun-filled New Year's Eve. It is a brisk, sunshiny day where I am. And before I get started, I'm just now hearing all the stuff that happened in New Orleans. So I don't know much about it. So I'm not going to make too many comments here, except that I hope we do everything in our power to keep that kind of shit from happening again. But anyway, as I mentioned, I'm going to attempt to install something on my 2021 Road Glide, and that is a wireless CarPlay adapter. I bought this on Amazon. It was inexpensive. I'll put the price and the link below to this. But I don't know about you, but I don't really use my infotainment system on my Road Glide much. I use my phone, but I don't use it because it's not intuitive for me. It just doesn't seem to work very good. But I haven't really taken the time to try to understand it either, but I do understand CarPlay. So I'm going to try to install this. I saw Kelly B had a video, and that's where I learned about this. So I thought I would try to install it, and I'm going to show you step by step, because sometimes I watch videos and they kind of skip over the little details, and sometimes the little details is what kills you. So I'm going to attempt to put this on the bike and see how it goes. I also have an update on my 2016 Road King. On my 2016 Road King. I have flip-flopped more than a career politician on what I'm going to do with that bike, if I'm going to keep it. But I've decided to keep it a while back. But after seeing my buddy just got a new bike to him and has done a lot of stuff to it, and you're going to see that on the next video, it's kind of inspired me to do something with my Road King that I'm excited about. And some of you may absolutely hate the idea, but it's my bike. So, all right, well, let's open this up and see how complicated I can make it. Can't do anything without the glasses, unfortunately. So yeah, it just comes in a little box. It says included is the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, USB-C to USB adapter, and the user's manual. Reminder, to use our wireless adapter, please ensure that your setup meets the following requirements. Your car must have a wired CarPlay or Android Auto connection. For iPhone users, an iPhone that supports CarPlay with iOS 10 or later is required. For Android users, an Android phone that supports Android Audio with Android 11 or above is required. So you Harbor Freight phone users, this is for you too. I'm just serious. I have some sort of pigtail, USB thingamajig. Looks like some sort of rubber sticky pad or something. We'll see what that is. And the instructions. I see an English version. Insert this product into the USB port of the original car. Turn on the Bluetooth of your iPhone. Search for Bluetooth and connect smart box. Agree to pairing. Realize the CarPlay function of the product under the prompts and guidance of your phone. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, I had to switch over to my GoPro. I was filming with my phone, but it looks like we're gonna have to do some restarting of the phone and all that stuff, so the audio may not be quite as good here because I don't have the wireless mic hooked up to my GoPro. I've lost the cord to do that. So It says before connecting, make sure the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the mobile phone are not connected to other devices. If there's a connection, please disconnect the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of other devices on the mobile phone. Before changing the mobile phone connection, please turn off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of the mobile phone that has been connected to the device before. That is just clear as mud. Restart the iPhone. Okay, we're gonna do that. All right, we're restarting. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. If Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are connecting to other devices, please ignore the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of other devices on the mobile phone and connect the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of our device. If you can't connect, please ignore the Bluetooth name of this product and keep the Bluetooth off for 5 seconds and then reconnect the Bluetooth. The device Wi-Fi does not need to enter a password. The backup password is 1234567 Insert dark helmet here.
So the combination is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the stupidest combination I ever heard in my life. That's the kind of thing an idiot would have on his luggage.
Maybe some version need to enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, this has been Google translated into English. If the password is not entered or the Wi-Fi is occupied by other devices, the connection will not succeed. If the connection is unsuccessful, please unplug the box and try again. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to plug this thing in and see what happens. I think you're just supposed to just plug it into here. I'm not sure if I can do this with one hand. Okay, I plugged it in. Let's just see what if it shows up on my Bluetooth or my Wi-Fi or what the heck ever. Maybe I got to turn the bike on. Okay, I see this smart box and it has a pairing request and asks if you want to pair, so we're going to pair it. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, we're going to allow. Waiting for something. What I don't know is having this paired, that's going to affect my Cardo and all this other stuff. Okay, something's showing up on my screen over here. So it comes up and says connect to CarPlay. Your contacts and other information will appear on this car's display without unlocking your phone. We're going to connect. There's a CarPlay option now on my screen. There it is. Well, I think it's that simple. What I don't know is what this is for. I guess a USB-C to USB, so maybe the new bikes have this. I don't know what. Mine's a 2021. I don't know if these work on the 2024s or not. I'll try to do a little research and put it on the screen if I figure something out. But yeah, now I've got CarPlay. So it is fairly simple, aside from the instructions being a little confusing, but who reads instructions anyway? Okay, so now my 2016 Road King. I have decided to let me turn off my bike here, to turn this into, I'm gonna call it a big boy Dyna. Not exactly, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a solo seat. I'm gonna clean up the front end, get rid of some of these lights, and before you say, I know a lot of you are traditional guys. But I've got a Road Glide big touring bike for long distance travel. I want a smaller bike that I can just around town bike. And for me, I'm 6'2", 250 pounds. This Road King feels like a small bike to me now. It didn't when I first got it, but it does now. So I think I'm gonna put a small front fender on there. I'm gonna clean up the front end. I'm gonna put a solo seat on it. I'm gonna put risers and T-bars on it. I'm probably gonna get rid of the crash bars. I may do those straight ones, I'm not sure. I'm gonna change the floorboards. I may take the bags off. Again, I'm just talking about around town kind of riding, kind of fun, lightweight stuff. And I may do some sort of custom paint job with my logo or something like that. So we'll, and this is a process because I may see if some of the vendors I'm using are interested in participating. That would be awesome. But I'm doing it regardless. But some of this stuff is not cheap, so it may take a little time. But yeah, let me know if you have you seen anybody else do that. I'm sure there is. I haven't really done any research on that. And is a Big Boy Dyna appropriate name for kind of redoing a Road King and making it a lightweight bike? Let me know in the comments what you think about that. It should be a fun project for 2025. You know, right now I'm standing in the middle of my fleet that started with the old Honda Ruckus and then turned into the Road King, and now the 2021 Road Glide Limited. Who knows if I'm gonna keep all of these or none of these or what. Like I said, man, that sun is just absolutely bright. But well, check out what New Year's Day looks like in Central Texas. While we're out here, I'll show you what else I'm gonna do. See, I got some gravel delivered. We still got to finish the driveway. I needed more gravel, but we got it all repaired, but you saw that. But I'm gonna add another driveway around the other side of my shop here, so I can pull these bikes or equipment or whatever, pull them in and out the other side without having to back up and move and all that stuff. I spend a lot of time rearranging equipment. With as much space as I have, that's unnecessary if I have a driveway coming around the other side. So anyway, that's all for today. And again, I've said it before, but it's hard to believe all the things that have happened since I started this whole YouTube journey. And I look forward to a great 2025. Hopefully get to meet a lot of you and do some fun stuff together. Appreciate you watching. We will see you next time.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey bike